What's the deal, YouTube? It's me, JB, and I'm back at it again with another video, man. As you can see from this title and thumbnail, this is another day of Vlogmas, man. Today, we are going to be warehouse shopping. It's actually not me that's gonna be shopping for warehouses, but I'm going with my man's Dre. You know what I'm saying? He's got a brand called Engineered by Dre. Fire brand, you know what I'm saying? Really popular, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I'm gonna be going with him just for some manifestation, you know what I'm saying? So one day that, you know what I'm saying, it's just to motivate me to, you know what I'm saying, keep working harder and one day, you know, get a warehouse myself. But for the the first day that I started doing Vlogmas, you know what I'm saying, y'all would know at the end of that video that I was at the post office. And the post office was closed. So now look where the fuck we're at. Yes, I am parking in handicap parking. Fuck you, fuck your granny, fuck your granddad, fuck all them niggas. I don't give a fuck if I'm not fucking handicapped. I don't give a fuck. I'm parking here, nigga. Cause that's just how I feel, nigga. But listen, look, nigga. I got the fucking shirts and shit down here. We're gonna try to ship these bitches again. The lights is on. As y'all can see. The lights is on in this motherfucker, okay? The lights is on. So this shit getting done. This shit getting done today. You feel me? So yeah, I'm about to get out the car right now and we about to fucking head in here and ship these fucking shirts out, bro. Cause nigga, I ain't got time for this shit, bro. I ain't got time. Shit, bro.
That's cause you wanna knock the stuffing off something. You know what? You got that right.
I forgot how many that was. I think it was like 10. But yeah, ship this out, get up out of here.
Really should get some tape.
Alright, man, walking up out of here. Bro, why this nigga try to tell me? Why this nigga try to tell me, oh yeah, next time you come in here, you gotta make sure that your packages is taped up. Like, nigga, if you don't do your fucking job, talking about my shit gotta be taped up before I come in here. Nigga, if you don't do your job, nigga, the fuck, nigga? Better do your damn job, boy. It's okay though, cause you ain't gonna see me again regardless. Next time you see me, it's gonna be a while from now, and I'm gonna do the same shit, and I'm just be like, man, I forgot, bro. But got all these shit shipped out, you feel me? About to send out tracking right now. So I am on my way to Dre's house, and I will catch y'all boys when I get there, man. All right, y'all, I was gonna show y'all us in Dre's house, but I ain't gonna do that. But we at the first warehouse joint. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Checking this out. About to walk around, see what this hitting on. This light in here is pretty bad, so I'm probably gonna just record when I get out of here. So I'll probably catch y'all on the next one, man. Just left that one. What you think about that, man?
Bro, they wanted me to fix the place up. That's crazy.
Well, you gotta think, bro. I was about to say that too. I was like, most warehouses, like if they got a warehouse like that, you gotta do a build out and shit. You know what I'm saying? And that a build out might cost you like 20, 30.
Nigga, I ain't leasing. If I'm gonna drop 20, 30, nigga, I'm gonna buy. If I gotta drop 20, 30,000 on fixing something, I'm gonna buy the place. I ain't leasing shit. Hand me over the title, sir. That's okay.
Oh man. Yeah. That's tough.
The next one actually is finished though.
That's the one you showed me in the picture?
Yeah, I knew that one was unfinished. But I thought they were going to try. That's why I went to go talk to them, see if they were going to finish it. They wouldn't finish the shit.
Yeah, that's not like they do though. They be like, yeah, you want the place? Yeah, you have to build it out.
Y'all tore the place up, nigga. That should be your responsibility.
Or no, I think it's places like that. They just put the basic necessities in there, and then they allow you to do the build out. I don't think they tear it up, like, you know what I'm saying?
Nah, they tore it up to get the piping. That's what they did.
Oh.
Like, they was fixing the piping. That's why it was tore up like that in them spots. Cause they was replacing piping. But if you were replacing piping, y'all should have just had it. Like, basically what he did was he got it fixed, but didn't want to pay to get it all the way fixed.
Type shit.
Like, he should have actually.
Cheap ass nigga.
Cheap ass nigga. Yeah.
Cheap ass nigga.
For sure.
But on to the next one, man. What you gonna say, man?
I think, now this one might be the one right here.
It's clean for sure. You gotta go in here and see it. It's definitely better than the last one. Ain't nobody trying to do no $20,000 build out, man. Nobody trying to do that shit.
Hell no.
Shit crazy. When you gonna start your YouTube, bro?
Shit, when YouTube give me a plaque.
Bro, they gotta give you a plaque for you to get subscribers, bro.
Well, then they gave me subscribers, I'll give them a plaque.
Nigga, you gotta make an account and get subscribers. You talking about they giving you a...
Well, YouTube ain't trying to work for me then.
Oh, you trying to have YouTube work for you? Well.
Tell YouTube I'm a boss.
Okay.
Niggas work for me.
Now. Good little hardwood floors, man. That's nice. It's definitely bigger than the front one. Is it parking back there? Damn. It's tough. You got a little rack back here and everything. Electrical shit. Stick that in here. Bathroom. Feel me? No, I step back with those. Crazy. Yeah, the only thing is them doors, bro. It's all done.
I think I can make the doors work. I'm through here. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yeah, I'll tap back in with y'all in a second. This nigga over here talking about he about to grab that motherfucker.
Oh, yeah.
That nigga said it's over with.
Swear. First about to hit the set though, I ain't gonna lie.
Nigga's about to hit the SETI. The SETI, man. Nigga said, I'm feeling good. I'm about to go to the set and shit. Y'all niggas don't know what the set is, man. Y'all missing the fuck out, bitch. If you know, you know. If you don't, you broke. JB to JV. Bro, we in the set now, man.
Junior varsity.
Act like you can beat me in basketball.
He's junior varsity compared to me. See, I told you I'm a big nigga. This bitch got me in a chokehold.
That nigga can't even.
Hell no.
Shoulders about big as hell.
I know the piece was on me. I ain't know what's going on.
Bro, they don't even have it. Bro, if you a Michigan, you know what you need, bro. Good goose, man. Can't go wrong. But it's not even no other. What size was this one over here?
It's all for the age.
Stop, bro.
It's all the little people size.
This one a large. This gotta be like an XL right here. It's an XL right here. White one. This bitch low key tough though. Like a white goose? This low key nasty. I should have got this. This would be crazy. I can't even lie.
Man, that boy snug too. Yeah, these gotta be European sizes. Bro, this is insane. They put buildings going up.
Bro, they sell Hootah size water here, bro. Look at this jacket. This jacket? Nah, this jacket looking nuts. I ain't gonna lie. Okay. You want like 800 for this jacket? Look crazy, I ain't gonna cap. This pants crazy too. But yeah, man. Probably gonna do some Christmas shopping for myself. Do that shit. Just water though. Not gonna lie. Casablanca look like some bullshit. Some shit Drake gonna wear.
Blanca.
Oh, this the whole fit though on body. The pants go crazy too. I wouldn't wear like a whole fit though. You gotta pick one. For sure. For sure gotta pick one. Bro, I don't even know if we came in a small 4.
Don't talk to me. Talk to the Louis. Don't talk to me.
This nigga, man. This nigga, bro. But yeah.
Everybody seeing this, make sure y'all send me y'all social security numbers and y'all credit cards.
Wow. This nigga said he's scamming. Where we about to go, bro? This nigga said we're going to the broke nigga side. So he comes over here, spends a bag, literally. Then he wants to go be modest now and go to the, you know what I'm saying, the common folk and shit. All right, y'all. So we ain't end up getting like we got Shake Shack, man. You know the best shit out here. You feel me? Gotta get that Shake Shack. You know what my name was on this shit? Y'all see that shit? Y'all see that shit? Feel me? So you know what we about to do? Today we having Shake Shack. We gonna try it. Get ready to 1 through 10.
Yeah.
Type no. Type shit. No, man, I'm about to eat this food, man. I'll catch y'all boys, man. I know I'm going in and out, but nigga, I'm eating. I'm not about to be. This ain't no fucking mukbang. I'm convinced this guy has a problem.
48216.
Okay, we're not done. Okay, first of all, we already got this. And he comes over and gets cold glasses.
Andre Franklin.
1-800, I'm a spender. What do you have to say for yourself?
Yeah. I can't even be funny in here right now.
And is it
Bro, this dude's got a problem, bro. The fuck? All right, y'all. So I done made it to the crib, man. Back to the crib, man. Had a crazy day, bro. Y'all saw this boy Dre was fooling, man. This dude was tweaking, but anyways, man. I'm about to head to work in like an hour, so make sure y'all leave a like, comment, subscribe on this video, man. Turn on all post notifications. Follow me on all social media. Make sure you shop that new drop. We're bound to arrive. New pictures have dropped. I'm gonna put them on the screen. Thank y'all boys for watching, man, and I'm out.